Welcome to this video from Kanban Zone to learn how to link cards to track dependencies and relationships. For this video, we're going to use two projects, a purple one and a green one. And these projects are going to flow through this portfolio track, while their deliverables are going to flow through this team track where the cards related to the main project card will be linked. Let's get started. So let's start with creating a dependency between those two cards. We're going to open the first one. We're going to click on links, and we're going to set the other card as a successor to this one, which means this one has to go first, and then this other one has to go second. You can use a full search here, and if you know the ID, which I do because I can see the card right below, I can just type the ID or any word in the title. I will select the card and connect it. Once it's linked, you see the arrow to signify the type of relationship, the link to the other card, and the state of that card. If you cling to the other card, obviously you'll see now this card that I came from with the arrow going in the other direction and the state again. Let's close this and look at the board. So we now have two cards that are linked to each other as dependencies, and we're now going to link these two cards as children card to their parent card, which is this project card up here. So we're going to open this one. We're going to create a link, and it's going to be a child link. So this is perfect. And we're going to type in the numbers, in this case, this one, link the first one. We can also type the word. So I'll type green to find all my green cards. We'll find a second one. And it only shows, as you can see, the cards that are not linked yet. So that makes it easy. You now have two cards that are linked to this parent card as two children cards. Now let's look at the board again. So now we have three linked cards, the parent card with its two children, and the children with the relationship to their parent, and the relationship for a dependency between these two cards. We're going to start moving the first card on the board, and because the card is now in a column that has a different state, an in progress state, it now shows as yellow on all the other linked cards. That will stipulate that when a card is yellow, that it's in an in progress state, which triggers this card here to say, well, maybe it's time to move it in progress since one of its children is now yellow. As you can see now, the parent card is showing yellow to its children because it's now in an in progress state. If we keep moving along, a card that hits a done state will signal that it's green now, which means that since this one was a dependency on this one, it can now know that its dependency is resolved because it's green and move along the board. As it moves along the board, when both cards are in the done column, it signifies to the parent that the card is now complete. You can move this one to done and everything is now green. To complete this demo, we want to show you that you can have multiple projects going on. So the next project, purple, gets in play, its deliverables start coming into the board. One of them starts moving, the other one is added, and as you can see, it's the same concept. We keep on having all these cards connected, and as you can see in this case, its three children are in three different states. One is in to do, one is in progress, one is done. We're going to keep moving them in until the project gets completed. It gets its full signal, and now both projects are complete. We hope that you enjoyed this other presentation on how to link cards. And please visit us at kanbanzone.com. Thank you.